Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to resize your photos in Windows. Okay, the first thing you want to do is press Windows button and E and find the photo. So I'm going to go down to downloads. I'm going to use, for example, this photo. And you want to right click on it and say open with and say photos. And you're going to open the photos thing here, and then choose the resize options. So right here, click on the three dots, go to resize image, and you have some options here. You can resize it on pixels, but it will be basically the aspect ratios contained. So you can say, okay, I want this to be 800 pixels, and it will automatically resize the height as well. Or you can say percentage. I want this to be 30% of what the original size is. And then you can change the file type to JPEG, PNG. I'm going to keep it as a PNG. And then you say save. And then from here, you have an option of where to save it. And you just enter the name here. And that's it. And then say save. And that is it. You've resized a photo in Windows.